cold night breeze reminds my heart of longing deep inside. The drifting clouds fly far and high across the endless sky. Through rivers, storms and winding paths, life feels so profound. I live the way I choose to be, no care for who's around. I lift my lantern to the sky to chase my distant dream. Keep walking through the heavy snow, though endless it may seem. Oh, when I'm lost in mist and doubt, I climb the tower high. Let moonlight shine upon my soul and soothe tomorrow's sigh. Night rain, 10 years, one lonely flame. My life shall never fall in vain. To wander through a single dream is better than giving up what I've gained. Tomorrow's wind will blow as it may, be it fierce or soft, I'll find my way. For my life is mine, my heart set free. I've seen the world, its mystery. Success or failure, I don't care. With or without, I breathe the air. I ask myself, what do I seek along this endless road? If no home waits for my return, then forward I shall go. 10 years by rivers, stones and streams, I've walked with tigers hand in hand. The green hills still remain the same, yet never let me age alone. Night rain, 10 years, one lonely flame. My life shall never fall in vain. To wander through a single dream is better than giving up what I've gained. Tomorrow's wind will blow its song, be it gentle or harsh, I'll still move on. Night rain, 10 years, one lonely flame. I've seen the world, it speaks my name. Success or failure, both the same. With or without you, gone with the May. I walk ahead once more, once again. Through rain and clouds, through joy and pain. I let the moonlight guide my way to brighten dreams that never fade. The night rain, 10 years, one lonely flame. My heart remains forever the same.